Welcome back to Happily Home Cooking. Today we're making heavenly coffee almond fudge ice cream. We're using simple, quality ingredients to make a no-cook, no eggs required coffee ice cream, which we'll churn in our Cuisinart ice cream maker and layer with an easy homemade 2-ingredient chocolate ganache and freshly toasted chopped almonds. If you love the flavors of coffee and chocolate and want to make your own ice cream at home with clean ingredients, drop us a like, subscribe to the channel, and come hang out in the kitchen with us while we make this dreamy dessert. Alright, ice cream lovers, we're starting off by mixing up our ice cream. Grab a medium bowl and we'll measure 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm using organic cane sugar, but you could substitute it with half a cup of honey if you prefer. We'll add 1 cup of milk. I'm using organic whole milk, but any milk will do. We'll also add a teaspoon of vanilla, a dash of sea salt, and a tablespoon of instant espresso for the coffee flavor. Now we'll just give these a thorough mixing until the sugar and espresso are dissolved. And the last thing to go into our ice cream mixture is a pint of heavy cream. A lot of heavy creams will contain carrageenan as an emulsifier to prevent the fat from separating, but we prefer to avoid that when we can, so we get this brand which contains only cream, no added ingredients. The fat can separate to the top, but just give it a little shake and it'll all get mixed together. We'll pop a lid on this and refrigerate it for a few hours before we churn it. While that's chilling, we can get our almonds ready. We'll just eyeball about a cup or so of almonds. Give them a chop into whatever size pieces you like. And we'll lightly toast these in a dry pan over a low heat. We'll toss them often to make sure they don't burn and let them warm through for about 10 minutes or until they're nice and fragrant. Then we'll remove them from the pan so they can cool before we add them to our ice cream. Just before we get our ice cream churning, we'll whip up our simple chocolate ganache. All you need for ganache is heavy cream and chocolate. And you can adjust the ratio depending on if you want your ganache thicker or thinner. Today we're making a thinner, very pourable ganache, so we'll use a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. We'll warm this in a small saucepan over a low heat until we just barely see it start to steam. Then we turn off the heat and we'll add half a cup of chocolate. You can use any kind of chocolate you like. We're using milk chocolate today. Just let it sit and soften for a minute, then stir it together until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. And that's it, you've just made ganache. I'm going to transfer this out of this warm pan and let it cool down to room temperature. You can even pop it in the fridge if you want to speed things along. You don't want it to be warm when adding it to the ice cream. Okay, our ice cream has been chilling for a few hours and is ready to churn. We've got our frozen bowl ready for our Cuisinart ice cream maker. We'll give our mixture a quick stir just in case any undissolved sugar has settled at the bottom. And we'll pour it into our ice cream maker and let it churn until it's thick and creamy, which will take about 20 minutes. If you're looking for a good ice cream maker, I highly recommend this one. We've had it for years, it works great, and we love it. I'll put a link to our Amazon storefront in the description if you want to check it out. This coffee ice cream is delicious on its own, but we're going to be a little extra today and take it over the top with our ganache and almonds. So in a plastic container, we'll layer some of our ice cream, with a drizzling of our chocolate ganache, and a sprinkling of our toasted almonds. and we'll repeat the layers to use up all our goodies. Right now, this is all very soft, almost like soft serve. So for the final step, we'll pop a lid on this and freeze it and let it firm up a bit. Okay, I can't wait any longer. It's been a few hours and our ice cream is semi-firm. It'll keep firming up more overnight, but we have to dig into this now and show you guys the masterpiece we've created. All those decadent flavors and textures layered together are calling my name. If your mouth just watered, drop us a comment. Coffee lovers, chocolate lovers, everyone will love this ice cream, and we're so glad you stuck around so you now know how to make it yourself at home. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much to our subscribers. We appreciate you. We wish you a beautiful day and happy home cooking.